Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Temu sign-in activity guide. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle, or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, first thing that you will do is simply go to orders and account over here. And now, once you are here, a drop down will show up, and just simply go ahead and go for your name over here and your profile. So click on it. And after that, just simply go to account security over here on the left side. And from here, just simply scroll down. And you should be able to see here sign in activity, and just simply click on review sign in activity for this account. And from here, you should be able to see all of your sign in activity. So as you can see, we will have here the Chrome on Windows computer, and we should be able to see the date and the time and the IP address and the location. And as you can see, we also have the app on Samsung Galaxy, and you will have here some information. So from here, you can just simply go ahead and click on sign out, and you'll be able to sign out the session. And that's simply about it. You'll be able to check your sign in activity here. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.